Hello guys, welcome back to our channel rendernow. So today we're gonna see how to add a mockup in any design. So first we have to open a Photoshop, and then we can see there is a text, but we don't want this, so we have to delete from there. And then we have to click on smart object. This layer will open, and then I have downloaded a logo to show a mockup. So we'll simply drag and drop, and then we have to transform it from control T. We'll stretch from there corner to give it proper shape, and then we have to delete this layer stone, and we after that we have to save it from control S. It will take some time. I hope you can wait for a second, and then it will look like this. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.